A solopreneur, also known as a solo entrepreneur, is an individual who runs and manages their own business single-handedly. Solopreneurs typically handle all aspects of their business, including planning, execution, marketing, and finances, without any full-time employees or partners. Solopreneurs often leverage their expertise and skills to provide services or create products in various fields such as consulting, coaching, writing, graphic design, photography, web development, and more. They have complete autonomy over their business decisions and are solely responsible for its success or failure. Being a solopreneur can offer several advantages. It allows individuals to pursue their passions, have full control over their work, and enjoy flexibility in terms of working hours and location. Solopreneurs can also retain all the profits generated by their business. However, being a solopreneur also comes with challenges. Since they handle all aspects of the business, solopreneurs often face a heavy workload and may struggle with work-life balance. Additionally, they may need to invest extra time and effort in learning and acquiring new skills beyond their area of expertise, such as marketing or bookkeeping. To succeed as a solopreneur, it is important to develop effective time management skills, prioritize tasks, and continuously upgrade one's knowledge and skills. Building a strong network and seeking support from mentors or like-minded entrepreneurs can also be valuable. Overall, being a solopreneur can be a rewarding and fulfilling path for individuals who are self-motivated, enjoy working independently, and are willing to take on the challenges and responsibilities that come with running a business on their own. Becoming a solopreneur involves several steps. Here's a general outline of the process. 1. Identify your passion and expertise. Determine what you are passionate about and what skills or knowledge you possess that can be turned into a viable business. Consider your interests, experiences, and areas where you excel. 2. Research your market. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for your product or service. Identify your target audience, assess competitors, and analyze industry trends. This will help you identify potential opportunities and refine your business idea. 3. Define your niche. Differentiate yourself by finding a unique niche within your chosen industry. By specializing in a specific area, you can stand out from competitors and attract a specific target market that values your expertise. 4. Develop a business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. A business plan will serve as a roadmap for your solopreneur journey and guide your decision-making. 5. Set up your business legally. Determine the legal structure for your business, such as operating as a sole proprietorship, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. Register your business name, obtain necessary licenses or permits, and ensure compliance with local regulations. 6. Establish your brand. Build a strong brand identity that reflects your values and resonates with your target audience. Develop a compelling brand name, logo, website, and social media presence. Consistently communicate your brand message across all platforms. 7. Define your offerings and pricing. Clearly define the products or services you will offer as a solopreneur. Determine your pricing strategy by considering factors such as your costs, competition, and the value you provide to customers. Aim to strike a balance between profitability and market demand. 8. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a marketing plan to promote your business and reach your target audience. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and networking. Tailor your marketing efforts to align with your target audience's preferences. 9. Build a professional network. Connect with like-minded professionals, potential clients, and mentors in your industry. Attend industry events, join relevant online communities, and engage in networking activities. Building a strong network can provide support, guidance, and potential business opportunities. 10. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize delivering exceptional customer service to build a positive reputation and encourage customer loyalty. Focus on building relationships with your customers and consistently exceed their expectations. 11. Continuously learn and evolve. Stay updated with industry trends, technological advancements, and new skills relevant to your business. Invest in your professional development through courses, workshops, conferences, and self-study. Adapt your business strategies as needed to stay competitive in the market. Remember that becoming a successful solopreneur takes time, effort, and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals, remain adaptable, and be willing to learn from both successes and failures along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and comment for more great content. 1. Identify